It is okay. Why did you
Those are
sign?
the only ones that we have given authority.
Yes.
And it has already, the list of those people we have given authority and already been created in this court.
So can you follow that and sign and give them authority, official authority?
We are giving that authority to them through this court. Mr. Chairman, I was not aware that all authority must have written and registerable authority to this court, but all the lawyers who are appointed, their names were already here, and they have our instructions to the court.
It is clear, yes. These three people you authorized were also here. And it is a simple procedure for us to be. Why don't you follow that procedure and then we proceed?
Including the head and the lead of the team.
We are not saying that we don't want these people to represent you. It's just a matter of procedure. That's what we want. Fulfill that and we proceed.
Can we just grant permission to our senior counsel partners?
Please, the tribunal. The last time we adjourned,
Senior counsel, I have been requested to advise.
let me just state my case and
No, I'm still advising. I don't want also you really to. I know you are from a foreign country. Counsel Kwabo, you are saying that court is following what I'm saying, but I'm referring you to Regulation 63 of our rules of procedure. I am mandated to advise court and all lawyers in this court on all matters of law and procedure. And Senior Counsel Masa Karua'S, last time I advised that we don't have a tribunal. This is a general court martial. Under the UPDF Act and recognized even under the Constitution. So everybody who is going to refer this court as a tribunal will be the content of this court. That is my advice, sir. We can hear from Senior Counsel.
you advising on make, and you advise you don't make a ruling.
But we don't want the name tribunal.
The last time we adjourned was so that you could give time for me to get a practicing certificate. I now want to let you know that you are members know that I do have a practicing certificate, which was issued to me this morning. To also indicate that the last 2 times we have been in court, because this is the 3rd time, you have had submissions from Elias Uganda. He has been introducing all of us, including Ernest Karibara. It therefore means that it's within the knowledge of Mr. Chairman and the members that the team in court is representing Ms. Dr. Tisa Besigye and Obed Rutale. And we really are taken aback because even the permissions you have granted before on how we should enter the court and that we should come with our tools of trade all have been flouted by the orderlies today. We have been subjected to very difficult conditions back and forth, such that before you we are so exhausted as not to be capable of properly representing them. We have also witnessed before this, before your very eyes, the assault of one of the team members. When we come before you, we feel protected by you. But today, that has been violated by the orderlies. If anyone commits a perceived offense, we expect them to be restrained, not assaulted. To be removed, not assaulted. I was at the back, I did not exactly see what happened. So we have serious issues we'd like to address you on, and we seek to be allowed to start normally, not to be taken back, to start registering, and we've already been before the court before. It doesn't happen that way. And it is unfortunate that the court is being informed to go back and forth. It becomes difficult. It's a very bad picture, even before they are accused persons, because will they expect justice? If every day we come, there is shifting of goalposts. We respectively urge you to grant us audience, which we already had, so that we are able to proceed. The word of mouth before the court from these two gentlemen is better than any written paper. If they say all these are their lawyers, that is it.
Yes.
We can later furnish you with a complete record for purposes of your record. But for purposes of, we will give you at the end of it. But because they now have told you we are their lawyers, allow us to proceed. Otherwise it may appear, it may be unintended, but it may appear that we are being denied audience and that the defense of these two gentlemen is being scattered deliberately.
Now, Council, thank you for
which I may not require your advice, the court will require it. I am saying that we are being subjected to different standards every day. The past day, with 4 hours of standing, we have not even recovered from that fatigue. Today, over 2 hours. The second day, the 10th of December, we had an easier time. Today, I am informed, because I was at the back, I couldn't see. All Aaron Chiza wanted was to come in and sit, and he normally sits here. Even if there is no seat, an advocate should not be stopped from approaching the court. It is the court that will direct anybody without a seat go out. So there is something wrong with the way the preparation of the order is, and we would urge that there be strict instructions so that there is no back and forth. Before, the 2 times we have come before this tribunal, we have had no complaint about the way that the court, you said the court? Sorry. Yeah, it is not an offense. The way
Honorable Chairman, it is important to vote. I'm sure even senior counsel can be held responsible.
But that's what I requested. Let us respect each other and we proceed.
Yes, I have already corrected myself, so I do not know.
In Uganda for purposes of this case, but instead of the case against Dr. Besigye and Mr. Lutare proceeding, what has happened, we are leaving this court with one of the lawyers for Dr. Besigye, Aaron Chiza, having been assaulted and now sentenced by the court. I would like a colleague who saw what transpired initially, because we were at the back, entering when we found them grabbing Aaron, assaulting him and getting him out of the court. I would like somebody who was present from the beginning, lawyer Samuel Muyezi, to address you on that.
I don't want anyone to believe that this
is that the human rights of Advocate Aaron Chiza have been violated in the military, in the court martial before them, because the court was in session. When I found them taking him out and assaulting them, the court was in session, the chairman was seated. Everybody goes to court expecting that that court or tribunal will protect you. So Aaron Chiza should have been protected. If you need to be removed, you are restrained and removed, not pounded with fists, with kicks, with all manner of assault. So I'm calling upon those of us who are able to record. We need to see exactly what happened. because when the court was giving the ruling on Aaron Chisa, they stated that he assaulted an orderly. But what my eyes saw were orderlies, not one. Orderlies assaulting Aaron Chisa. Even when he was at the dock, I saw him being assaulted. And I know he is injured. I didn't speak to him, but from those blows, he is injured. A court's first duty is to protect human rights. A court or a tribunal, and it is in the Constitution. Nothing about his well-being, just a sentence. We are very, very disturbed, and one wonders if an advocate coming to represent Chisa Besigye can be assaulted to that extent. Are they going to find justice in this military environment where use of force is what they know? It is very disturbing.